I'm here in Worcester, the home of MACH UK, and I've bumped into Tom Lane of the MTA. Tom, good to see you as always.
Yeah, good to see you too, Joe.
I know MACH are at MACH. Are they a big part of the show?
Oh, most definitely. They're a huge part of the show, and we're really looking forward to seeing what they've got there. I've just been here myself, like you guys, filming a few promo videos for the MACH YouTube channel, so you can keep an eye on that the next couple of weeks to see what we've shot here today.
Shameless plug. I love it. Have you got an update for me? What's happening at the show?
Well, a few quick little updates. We've opened some space in Hall 17 because we've got a demand. People want to come to the show. So if you've still been on the fence and undecided about coming, there is space available in Hall 17. So get in touch with our sales team and get your stand booked today.
And I know pre-reg is open. If you want to go and have a look at the show, how do you reg?
Well, basically, you want to be going on www.machexhibition.com and registering there. Basically, you want to start planning your trip to MACH. MACH is more than just a day trip, and there's a hell of a lot of technology to fit in. So you want to be having a look at the floor plans, where the main exhibitors are, what technologies you want to be checking out while you're there. Just register now, basically. There's only a few weeks left to do so.
Well, thanks a lot. So there we have it. MACH is just around the corner. Don't miss out. Go to the website and register.